Well, there's some online hysteria now centering on a new bill aimed at COVID-19 contact tracing. Capital 7's Matthew Smith is taking a closer look at the bill as we separate fact from fiction.
A viewer asking me about something known as House Bill 6666. Online, there's chatter about how it could allow contact tracers to enter your home without your permission. It's even led to a change.org petition and hundreds of Facebook posts. They're all fiction. Now, the actual bill doesn't have any claims that strangers can enter your home or that your kids can forcibly be removed from your home and put into quarantine. That's another one of the claims. Those are all false. The real bill, though, offers up grants to, quote, hire, train, and pay individuals and to purchase supplies to run mobile testing units and door-to-door outreach. Asked specifically if you have to be tested, the congressman who put the bill together responds, quote, no. The COVID-19 trace is about providing testing to those who want or need it. Next up, concerns about house flies. We've previously talked about mosquitoes, but there's been some concern on the internet that flies could be an issue when it comes to COVID-19. The statement, flies can transmit the coronavirus. We're grading this as fiction based on information coming in from both the CDC and the World Health Organization. Then we get back to blood types. I've had a handful of renewed concerns about this one. One particular viewer wanted to know specifically about blood type A. There's reports that those with that blood type might be more susceptible. So the statement on your screen here, people with a specific blood type are more likely to have severe reactions to COVID-19. I'm sticking with undetermined. While there's a number of studies being looked at, being done, there's nothing definitive that we can find from experts on that front. But I will be paying attention, and when we learn more, we'll update you right here on Fact or Fiction. Thank you for the latest round of requests, and as always, stay safe. Matthew Smith, Cairo 7 News.